Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. If you have worked in forms, Oracle forms, you must have gone through this sort of next or previous record options. So let me show you what it is. So this is my page, and here if you see here, my previous department is 10, my next is 30th, and current is 20th, right? This is my current, which is it is showing. So if I will press this next, it should show 30th, right? And it will also take the next number, that is 40. This is my primary key actually. So since this page is developed on departments, so it is showing you the departments. And if I will move to previous, so my block or my region or my data is going back to the last record, right? So now this is, if this is 20th current one, so previous will be 10 and 30th will be the next one. If I move to next, if I will go back, and since it was the last record, so there is no previous, so no more this option is there. Same way, if I move to right, and if it is last record, so it will hide those options to move further on the next site. This is normally was there in Oracle forms, so I wanted to show you in Oracle apex.oracle.com, how you can achieve this, right? So let me show you. So if I will go cancel and I am here, if I will click, let's say 30th, so previous will be 20th, right? Next will be 40th, and the current is 30, right? It's working fine. This is report, nothing to worry about it. So I'm going to this page and I will be editing this page. I will show you what kind of options or features you can use in order to get this working. So if you see here, this is my form, right? Simple, just like any other form which you are creating, and it will have a process called this. Let me remove this one, this was not required. And this is my initialization form, right? Sorry, process, and this is the same one, process form departments, right? Okay, so for this you need two buttons. One is for next, one is for previous. Like this is for previous. I don't know what I wrote, double O, so you have to correct spelling, right? And this is for next, and this is for next. These are two buttons, right? And these two text items which will keep the next and previous. Now the question is how to bring previous and next in these two text fields, right? And also how we can, when I will press next, how it will show me the next record. Since here there is no where clause or anywhere, there is no clause, right? And even initialization, there is nothing, right? Before initialization, there is nothing, right? So once you will create these four items, two text, simple, right? Title, I've just given a label given previous, and same, this is for previous, and let me change this one. Okay, this is previous, and this is next text box, and this is next button. Now first go to initialize form departments. Here you have to give these two text fields here. Next primary key items, this one, this next P2, and same way previous, right? So I have selected previous like this. That's it. These are the two items you have to select here in this initialize form process, which will be in the same page, and it is automatically created, right, when you will create a form. Done. So next is I have created two buttons, right? This previous and next. In these you have to give this server side condition, item is not null, right? So it will show you only when this field next p2 underscore next having values. Otherwise, since if once it is a last record, so there will be blank, so it will not show, right? Both these options on. If you see here, I have also used same, right? So this is server condition. Now, how to move to the next? For that, you will go to the processes and you will create two branches. For the previous, you will call the same page. If you see here, right, and you will click when button pressed, and here you will pass this previous value because it is showing you, right, previous value, and you will pass to the department. So it will be, the page will be submitted. If you see here, previous, it's page submit page, right? So once page submitted by clicking both of these buttons, so there is a condition, right? Previous, when button pressed, previous, and here I have given when button pressed next, right? So in next, see, I am passing to the department the value of next, which is here, this one, 20. So page will be submitted, it will come to this, it will show that department, and then it will update these values. No, this is wrong, I think. Next, right? Where is the next? Okay. Next. Okay. That's it. I think I have cleared all the things. All these items are default. No change in these four. And same way you can create for other tables or other forms, right? I created for this. So just to recap, in the initialization, you will give next and previous page items, and in the buttons, simply submit, right? And then in the process, on the process tab, you will go create two branches, previous and next, and in this, these will be conditional again on the button pressed, and in the page submit or page URL redirect, you will be passing to the those two text items, right? Let us practice one more time. So this is my page, right? Next 30, 40. I think if you have worked on Fox Pro or Oracle Forms, few years back, then you will remember all these things. So I thought maybe someone might use such functionality, they need it, so I thought I will explain it, right? Please try and share your feedback. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.